Hi guys, sorry that I am not with you today. We are starting our graph of the day activities for the semester. So the idea behind these is to help us understand how to read, understand, and analyze real world data. Yes, we've seen that the x-axis is the independent, the y is the dependent, and so forth. But sometimes we struggle with how to read them. Okay, so everyone should have a half sheet. Go ahead and write your name. Okay, don't write anything else. And let's go to the next slide. Oopsies. Okay, here we go. So I want you in your own words, okay? In your own words, and this is at the top, the graph topic. We're right here, okay? I want you to describe in your own words what you think is happening in the graph below. I also, under limited information, want you to write, what do you think we need to understand this graph a little bit better? Okay, what information, because right now we just have some squiggly line, what information would help us? Okay, pause this video, discuss amongst your group of 2 or 3, and then write in your own words. When you're ready, press play again. Okay, hello, welcome back. So what if I gave you these numbers? Would this help? Under your graph of the week half sheet, it says more information for number 2, okay? I want you guys to talk in your groups, does this help? And explain why yes or no under the more information piece. Pause this video and then press play when everybody has written down their answers. All right, me again, hi. Okay, so the next one, what do you think, now that I give you more information, what exactly do you think the y-axis is going to represent in relation to, the x-axis? Okay, so y-axis versus x-axis. On your half sheet, it says observations, number 3. Okay, this is where I want you to write down what you think the y-axis could represent. And would this picture help with the y-axis if I gave you that picture? Pause this video and discuss with your classmates, the 2 to 3 in your group, okay, and write your answer underneath 3 for observations. Pause the video and then start it again when you're ready. Pardon me. Okay, so you're back, so that means you're ready. Well, do we have enough information now to figure out what this graph is about? I gave you a title now, teen birth rate. Oh, were you right? Were you right without the picture on the last slide? What do you think the numbers along the y-axis mean? Any thoughts? And definitely a time frame along the bottom, 1940, 1960, and so forth. So what do you think the teen birth rate might be in 2025 if this continues on the trend? Do you think there will be an upward or downward trend, and why? I want you to discuss now for 2 to 3 minutes, so please set a timer on one of your phones, okay, and discuss. When you are done, I want you to, under number 4, right, I predict that, and then in your own words, not the group's words, in your own words, write what your prediction is and why. Is it because of the trend of the data that you're seeing? Is it because of information that you know of? Okay, anything that you're bringing, and how is more information rather than just a squiggly line? Now you have a title, now you have some background, now you have your x and y axes labels, okay? Discuss in your groups for 2 to 3 minutes, and then pause this so that you can discuss and write your answer. When you're ready, press play again and flip your half sheet over. Okay, welcome back. So on the back side of your half sheet, you see this. So we're going to practice with the graph of the week. Now remember, on this previous one that you guys just saw to introduce you to this, it's so vital that we acknowledge all of the information given. If we're just given a squiggly line, not really able to tell what the graph is representing, nor could we make assumptions from it. Okay, so I want you guys to look at this, please. So we're going to try another graph. Here it is, waiting longer to tie the knot. Americans are waiting longer to get married than they did decades ago. So looking at this graph, I want you guys to use the bottom of this half sheet, state the topic, what the graph is about, what the x and y axes represent, what the graph suggests, and predictions that you make. Now, yes, you're in groups of 2 to 3, so I want you to discuss. But when you write your answers, make sure that they are your own words. Okay, for every graph of the day, you'll have some time to work on it in class, and then it'll be due a few days later. So this one is due on Tuesday when we get back, the 11th. There's no school on Monday, the 10th. Okay, this is posted, so if you need to refer back to it, you can. Try to get as much done as you can, and please, please, please try to make your discussions relevant. Make them useful so everybody knows what's going on, everyone has some ideas shared and discussed and developed. All right, good luck, y'all.